welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the box. All about this amazing monthly beauty box by Fashionista. It is pretty amazing, cruelty-free, vegan, all natural, and some amazing brands that the box works with. So if you want to know what this is all about, check it out. So let's get straight into this. Yes, the wrapping is always so nice. It is black and white. It is just classic. And I do have to say that the box from Fashionista is pretty good. I do like the way they work together with the brands as well as their pamphlet. There's always a meaning, a purpose to this box every single month. So I do have to appreciate that. So this box is a $25 monthly beauty subscription. It is mixed. It has hair, makeup, skin. I like it. I definitely like it because the skincare that I have discovered from this particular box, it is pretty amazing, and I am always using it, and I have done a few tests on their skincare brands. They work with this box. So today I am going to do a try on as well. So I did use a little bit of makeup, but there is 2 items in here that I'm definitely going to be trying on. Now, whoever receives this box, let's talk about it down below. I definitely want to know your feedback. Is this box worth it? Do you love it? Do you like it? Yeah, let's talk about it. By the way, I did forget to mention, this is the October 2020 box. I did receive it early, but there was a damaged, again, item in my box. Not again in this particular box, but in a lot of my subscription boxes, as you girls know, I'm always receiving some type of damaged item. It could be because of what's going on, you know, the delay and the way they're treating the packages. I don't know, but I didn't want to unbox this until I didn't receive the replacement, so I didn't want to be so unhappy. So that is what I'm going to be doing. I am definitely going to be waiting for my replacement before I do unboxing. So yes, even though we are in November, I just received my replacement yesterday. So I decided to put up this video plus a try on as well, just to make it a little bit, you know, more interesting, because I know there's probably lots of unboxings out there for the month of October. So yeah, let's go straight with our first item. This brand is pretty popular in a lot of my beauty boxes. This one is a Skin & Co. I do have it up there, as you could see. I have a shower one that I'm using. I do love the scent, and I do have the micro cleanser, micro exfoliator that I did use it twice. I have to say I do like that gommage that carries in this product. It is pretty nice. I do feel the penetration into my skin. So yeah, that's a huge plus. These products are made in Italy, so it is a pretty good brand. It is a Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. I did use the mousse, a lighter one. I did finish it, and I have to say it's pretty nice. It is water-based, so it dissolves really easily. But I have to say Skin & Co. is a really good brand, and I have to say it is on the top of my list. So this is nice. And it is a $28 full size product. I am definitely not going to open it right now. I do have a cleanser that I'm working with at this point. This is cruelty free, and it is a full size. I like 100 mLs, 3.38 full ounces. Skin & Co. Roma. So before I continue, I did forget to mention that this is the theme of 20s soiree. So nice. Look at it. It's like from the really ancient, like vintage kind of. I do like this whole theme. I love, last month I think they had a really good theme. Every single month they have a pretty good theme. I like it. We present to you our special celebration of the glitz and glams of the 1920s. So it's like Titanic. I like this a lot. Okay, so the next product here I see, of course, it is a skincare, and I do love it a lot. I am all about sheet mask. I did use this the other day, and I did receive it from my Allure box. I do have a photo up here. It was my spa day. It was a happy masking because I am going through my 7-day masking. I am all about it, and I am going to be putting up videos at least twice a month, and I'll do my reviews on my Instagram and my YouTube all about my sheet mask and what skincare am I using from my fridge of that particular month. So yeah, skincare is so excited. Girls, let's talk about it down below, because you know that I love skincare, and we could just talk about it. Let me know what you love and what is working for you for this winter, because you know our skin is changing. Definitely changing. The next product here, oh, the price. The price of that one is $3 full size sheet mask made in Korea. All about it. Cruelty free, paraben free. Nice. A detoxifying, minimizing the appearance of pores. Yes, that is definitely a huge plus. The next one here is something that I definitely want to try. It is so interesting. I do love hair products. I am not really into it as much, but now that the weather's changing, I do want to get into hair products a little bit more. This is a Bio Repair 8 thickening blow dry spray, and I do blow dry my hair, and I do have thin hair, even though I am taking care of my hair, so it does have a little volume here and there, but I do tend to have more of a fine texture. So this is so perfect. I love it. The price of this full size product is the Color Proof, and this one is $32. Wow, full size. I like it. 5.5 full ounces, 150 ml. Nice. Volumized, fine, thinning hair. Perfect for that texture. Yes, I will definitely talk about it. I'm going to use it, and it's something new, so I am thinking of all this amazingness. It's a New Beauty 2019 award-winning brand. Nice. Now, we're going to go to the next product here that I do want to talk about. I do have it ready because I do want to do a little quick demo on this. How nice. And it's glass, as you could see, and I am all about it. So this is a charcoal drying lotion. So this is for a pimple that we get. I do get the ones that are red and big, and I do get them around here a lot. And I do tend to use lots of things to try to minimize the size of that gigantic red bump. And this lotion is amazing for that particular type of cyst, pimple that we get. It could be hormonal, stress, however, but it is known fact that charcoal does help to minimize that type of inflamed pimple that we get. Who gets them? Because I sure do, and they're painful. And this one is from Georgette Klinger. This is a $19 full-size price item, and it is really good to calm the area of the breakout, purifying the pore, draws out excessive oils, and relieves the redness, puffiness, swelling, irritation that we do get. And as you gradually notice, it minimizes to a smaller size with less inflammation. Okay, so basically this, you do not shake. You do not shake. You have to make sure you leave it standing for a good amount of time. And once the whole charcoal goes all the way down to the bottom, that all you see is the liquid, then you're able to take out the product, the ingredients, all that is in there, and place it on the affected area. So I am gonna go a little closer. It does smell like the salicylic acid, and it does have that, and it has the zinc oxide as well. This visually reduces trouble pores overnight. Now I do have a quick tip. Now, because I do get breakout, even though a lot of people say, no, it doesn't look like I do, but I do. I do get them, and I get them like around here mostly. I just learned never to mistreat that blemish, acne, pimple, or inflamed cyst. I just learned the hard way not to touch it at all. As I learned that, as you know, growing and experimenting problem skin, that I did have it when I was younger, it's so much better not to touch it. I have learned how easily it just disappears. I'm like, if I only knew not to touch that blemish, my skin would have healed so much quicker as I was aging. But lesson learned. So I do use a lot of like salicylic acids, a lot of the overnight treatments, a lot of all that, you know, just place it on that dot. Charcoal is really good. Place it on that area, and it minimizes overnight. Definitely a huge plus. So now you use a Q-tip and you go, it's clean. You go all the way down. I'm not going to be placing this on my skin because, you know, I have makeup and all that. But look at how just the charcoal, be careful as I'm putting this down, stays there. So if there's a pimple, you just go directly on it. Just like that. It depends how big it is. So this is just a tiny one, but if it's bigger, obviously it's a quick dot. You do not replace it in there and reuse it. Nothing. And it's drying. And it is an overnight. I like this. I like this a lot. I am definitely going to be using this for emergency spot treatment. Now that my daughter is coming into like that age, the puberty age, she's 13. She does get like a little pimple here and there. I might be trying that on her too to see how it goes. But yeah, I definitely am excited for this amazing spot treatment. So I'm coming down to the last two products, and these two I'm definitely going to be trying them on. The one I'm going to be showing is the one that I received damaged, and that one is the highlighting palette. So, yeah. So I just got this one yesterday, and the palette that I received first was completely damaged. But I do have to say, thank you so much for the box by Fashionista for sending it so quickly, responding so quickly. I do have luck. When I do speak to these subscriptions, they respond immediately, and they do send me replacements. I have to say there's no complaint about that. Now, I do want to show you the damaged one first, really quick. Pretty damaged. It was packed okay, but I think it could have been packed a little better, just because we do have to be cautious of the way mail is getting treated. So consideration on that. So it's all over the place. It was all over my box. I had a lot to clean up. So it is definitely destroyed. So sad. The only one that did not get destroyed was the gold one back there. But yeah, you know, it's basically done. It's done. I can't even give this out as a gift. I can't do anything. Maybe I could probably take out that gold pan out, and probably maybe it's a magnet. I mean, I don't know. I have to check it out. So look how beautiful this packaging. It's so beautiful. And when I saw it damaged, I'm like, oh my God, it's a 20s, it's vintage, it's like Titanic or something like fancy like that, or like those girls that do the dance. I forgot the name of that. But there is, look how pretty that is. So nice. And look at the palette. So pretty. I really like it. The front is just like that. It is so nice. So this palette is $28 highlighting palette from Lash Plash Cosmetics. Nice. Money, highlighting, niceness. It does have some nice shades here. It has the Sugar Dough, Mazoom, and Scratch. Okay. I do want to try my inner corner and a little bit of my cheekbones and my eyebrow bones. So let's do a little of that. I'm thinking to go with this straight here in my inner corner. You can see that bling bling. I am definitely all about the bling when it comes to my inner corner. I love it. When I watch all the girls with their eyeshadow demos and eyeshadow tutorial, I am like waiting for that inner corner. I do love the Fenty bling bling, but I want to try all different types of highlighting, and I am definitely focusing on that inner corner. It brings your eye out. I like it. Nice. This is the dough, the color dough. I have to say, nice. I'm using this MAC brush specifically for inner corner. Nice. It gives you an eye opening. So let's go over here with your nose. A little bit here. A little here. Okay. And let's just, I like to do everything with my finger first. I do everything with my finger first, and then I go ahead and use a brush. I went a little too, I really don't. And then we go straight with the brush. I went a little too low with this one. I am using the one from Luxie. It is specifically for a highlighter. Nice and quick. Bling bling there. Girls, what do you think about that? I have to say I like it. A really, really quick bling highlighting palette. Nice. So that was a fun little touch here and there. So the next one we're going to go to, and the last one, is a lip plumper. So I did basically just use a lip liner from MAC that I do love. And it's really, really mattifying. So it's very easy to not, spread anywhere when I'm putting on my makeup. So I'm going to go straight with this Gerard Cosmetics lip plumper. I like this. I do like lip plumpers because I do have, small lips, and it does, a nice little, touch stand out there. And it's $21. Full price. Wow, $21. This better work a miracle here. Instant. So this is what it looks like. Some tingle, And this one is a little thick. I went for, it has a nice mint. I like it. You start feeling it. And it's okay, because it goes away. I love the scent. Nice, nice. And yeah, it's just a lip plumper, the perfect gloss to keep your lips nice and plumped. I like. Girls, let's talk about it down below. What did you think? This is $131 value price for the month of October for only $25 a month. Amazing value price always. I do have to say it is definitely worth the value. And the box from Fashionista definitely has a great theme and cause behind their subscription. And that one I like a lot. So this pretty much dried down. That is exactly what it will look on your affected area. So I do like it. I will be talking about it in my future videos. Girls, don't forget 1K is coming any minute, and I'm so excited. I do have the giveaway together, and let's talk about it down below. Don't forget, check out my Instagram. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube, and I am so happy that it just gets better. I will see you in my next video. Ciao. I like this. Girls, what do you think? What did you think about the highlighter? Because I like the bling.